Hi there, I'm Dr. Andrea Shanowski from Align Life of Peoria, located inside the Metro Center. And I'm here with Mr. Bayer today, and we're going to talk to you a little bit more about breastfeeding and breast milk. A lot of women, as we're pregnant and trying to decide what we're going to do after baby gets here, or maybe you are breastfeeding currently, we want to talk a little bit more about why you would want to breastfeed, or what's inside of breast milk that makes it a little bit better than formula. So one of the most important things is, well, what's inside of it? So breast milk has a very, very great healthy fat content of 4.2%. So women that are not getting enough healthy fats in their diet may notice issues with breast milk supply, or may notice that baby maybe is not feeling full enough, or maybe not growing on the right level. So if you're breastfeeding or thinking about it, we have to make sure that we're getting enough healthy fats in our diet. In addition, breast milk also has really high protein levels to help baby to grow and build muscle. It also has plenty of vitamins and minerals for baby to grow. It has salts in there to help make sure that baby does not get dehydrated. We also have antibodies inside of our breast milk that get passed to baby, so that we have our immunity as moms get passed on to baby. So as they grow, they're protected from a lot of common diseases and even some viruses and bacteria that we have been exposed to as we've been growing older. One of the most important things that I find is really interesting is breast milk actually is a laxative. So for babies, as they're breastfeeding, that laxative is going to help to not only get rid of meconium faster, that black tarry stool that we all kind of shudder about after we have a baby, but it also helps if there's jaundice. When we're breastfeeding, that's going to help to get rid of that jaundice and get rid of that yellowing of the skin faster. So if your baby has issues with bilirubin, if your baby has issues with jaundice, breastfeeding can be a great way to help reduce that as quickly as possible. And what's really interesting is we have oligosaccharides inside of our breast milk, and those are basically a form of carbohydrate that's very important for our gut function, a baby's gut function. Those saccharides actually protect your body's intestine from having an infection, but they also help to make sure that we're allowing the good bacteria to grow. So that can help with probiotic function and help with immune function to make sure that baby's belly is happy and we're not having as much gas. So again, if you're thinking about breastfeeding, we want to make sure as much as possible that we are taking care of ourselves as moms, getting the right food so that we have the right nutrients inside of our breast milk. But if you are having issues, noticing some gassiness, fussiness from your baby, having issues with supply, it might be a good idea for you to talk to a lactation consultant, or even talk to someone that has a little bit more experience with breastfeeding and find out what they've done to help with that. If you're still noticing some issues, a lot of times I find with when it comes to functional medicine, which is what I also do in my office as a chiropractor, but a lot of times I find that we may simply need to look at your diet, make sure that you're getting the right things in your diet, and making sure that your body is digesting them properly. A lot of times moms that are having a lot of stress and a lot of things going on in their life with, let's face it, kids tend to cause that, newborns especially. We're getting less sleep. So a lot of times I can help you sit down, kind of figure out what you can do lifestyle and diet-wise to help out as well. So if you have a concern about breastfeeding or have more questions about how Mr. Bayer and I can talk to you more about that, give our office a call. Our phone number is 309-689-6200. And again, we're at Align Life, and we're located inside of the Metro Center in Peoria. So give us a call, or you can also go on our website, chiropractorpeoria.org, and you can request an appointment and even find our paperwork on our website. Have a great day.